we're back at SoFi Stadium with a little bit of a night show look here in the evening. It's just a little bit before sunset, and Oculus is really going through the rounds of different colors, and it's like casting off some pretty cool colors all over the ceiling portion of the ETFE roof. It's pretty sweet. I'll try to get a couple different angles of it. Still doing a few more of those test patterns, and then you kind of saw some photos that Rams posted on Twitter, kind of a rainbowy color, which has something to do with Pride. That also across the street that the Fabulous Forum has also participated in. Pretty cool. It's more like a preview to like a concert than a sporting event. Just trying to make a few camera adjustments here to give you some better exposure. Looks really cool in person. It's just another thing to try to get the settings quite dialed in on your camera. Well, that Oculus though, those panels are pretty bright. When something really intense flashes, really casts the color throughout the stadium, ceiling and seats. And you can see that walkway there. I saw in one of Drone World's latest night videos, I think I saw some of these concrete walkways lit, like I think they have like lights sunken into the stairways. I'm not seeing it right now. There's some kind of a light on there. I think it's from up above. You can see some of the stadium lights that are on. And you can see some of the speakers, I think. Okay. We got this bar. Can't tell if that's lit or if it's just picking up light from somewhere else. Alright, we've got a little elevation here now. We're looking, this is the east side of the stadium, and we're looking toward the west. You can see over here by the performance venue, those are just scaffolding lights, nothing quite interesting. And you see some lights that are coming from the ground up, beaming onto the columns. And then that's just like white light. And then you'll see some bluer lights, pretty much stay blue, and then the rest of the lighting is pretty much dominated by the Oculus. Pretty bright. And this is over here on the north end. See a few lights that are beaming on the edge here. Pretty cool. And then you can peek into little slivers of the stadium. And you can tell how bright it is by the Oculus shining through. And you can see, depending on the lighting, that light just pours itself through the ETFE. Look at that. ETFE just glows depending on whatever spectrum of color is emanating from that HDR 4K Oculus. Yeah, that's cool. I see somebody. So do these different, pretty solid color patterns, and then it'll come back to like a test pattern there. You see, like a calibration, like when you calibrate your TV. Can't quite see the whole thing. And another shot of the Forum with its Pride-inspired lighting. Here you can see a good shot of the northern tip with the light starting to leak through the panels. A few fireworks going off. From far away. See a few lights beaming up on some of the landscaping, but I think they still have a ways to go before they get all of that going. See some SoFi logos once in a while. So long from SoFi.